Hi everyone, welcome to Bilbo Tech. Today let's see about Realme Buds Air Pro review. The Realme Buds Air Pro offers middling audio quality and active noise cancellation performance, and even though it gets the design and fit largely right, it isn't a compelling product. When Realme introduced the first Buds Air, it created quite some noise in the market. It looked exactly like the Apple AirPods, and made its intent very clear right from the start. It was targeting those buyers that did not have the budget, or iOS devices, to justify purchasing Apple's true wireless earbuds. Now, we have with us the Realme Buds Air Pro true wireless earbuds that now come with active noise cancellation at a price that is far, far lower than Apple's AirPods Pro. This time, the Realme Buds Air Pro aren't as exact a clone of Apple's flagship earbuds as the previous generation was, but still managed to look decent. The main draw, this time, is that it offers active noise cancellation and stereo true wireless performance all at Rs. 4,999. The Realme Buds Air Pro has 10mm dynamic drivers, with dynamic bass boost composite bass enhancement algorithm. Marketing jargon aside, what this essentially means is that the Buds Air Pro will deliver a lot of bass to you. The driver size is standard for this category of earbuds, and in terms of the audio signature, the bass levels are not all that high as what typical bass boost earbuds offer. This is generally a good thing, because the low frequencies produced by the Buds Air Pro offer a solid, strong backline to most tracks. However, the fidelity of the low frequencies produced is far from great. At any volume levels above 80%, the bass boom produces too much distortion, to a point where the Buds Air Pro starts sounding dirty, the sort of noisy, loose and droopy bass quality that you wouldn't associate with any half-decent audio product. At lower volumes, although the bass levels are adequate, what isn't is the intricacy and details that the bass can produce. In essence, the Realme Buds Air Pro gives you a lot of bass in its sound, but not bass that would be unanimously enjoyed. Instead, it works best in non-bass heavy genres, at limited volume levels. As a bass head, you'd hardly ever enjoy that. Active noise cancellation, not heavy, but not bad either. It's almost as if Realme predicted such questions coming its way, as a result of which it packed in active noise cancellation in the Buds Air Pro. To be absolutely clear right from the start, the Realme Buds Air Pro is in no way a cheaper alternative to the Apple AirPods Pro, and one of the biggest reasons is its active noise cancellation performance. On paper, Realme does get things right. It advertises active noise cancellation by 35 dB, which should be more than adequate as far as active noise cancelling products go. However, the actual noise cancellation performance of the Buds Air Pro is far from going all the way to 35 dB in levels. In fact, it is so shallow that it sounds up to 12 dB at best. If you've tried any of Sony, Bose or other reputed audio brands' active noise cancellation products, think of the Buds Air Pro offering about 3/10 the noise cancellation levels that they produce. Battery life. Realme claims that the Buds Air Pro come with an overall playback time of 25 hours with ANC turned off. With noise cancellation on, you can get around 20 hours of playback. During my time with the Buds, I managed around 18 to 19 hours of music playback. This included streaming music, watching web shows, listening to podcasts, etc. Realme Buds Air Pro are a mixed bag. They are loud, clear and bass heavy, offer a decent battery life, and come with several features like active noise cancellation, LDAC support, and low latency mode. It's efficiency of most of these features that you need to consider before buying the product. I feel ANC requires some work from Realme, but given that this is company's initial attempts at this tech, can't be too harsh with them. Also, we need to keep in mind that at the end of the day, these earbuds cost Rs. 4,999, almost 1/5 than what the Apple AirPods Pro do. Not that the two can be compared, but if you consider the amount to be spent on the Buds Air Pro, the value attached is good.